Welcome to the Tech Show. Amazon seller success, utilizing tools of the trade. Amid ongoing economic challenges, some entrepreneurs are finding success with specialized marketing tools aligned with the Amazon marketplace. According to the 2023 State of the Amazon Seller Report that Jungle Scout recently conducted, these small businesses have seen substantial growth in sales, with 89% reporting profits in 2023. Jungle Scout helped me quantify the size of my market with over 2 years of historical Amazon sales and competition data, identify the top keywords in my niche with search volume estimates, and gave me clear insight into what my Amazon FBA fees and ROI would be, he told the E-commerce Times. Amazon sellers' multi-channel strategies and demographics. That speaks loudly for e-commerce globally. Multi-channel marketing is driving seller success. Analytics essential to selling strategy. One of the biggest tips Zeratzian has for entrepreneurs on starting a successful e-commerce business in a recession is to understand their market fully before investing. The two companies differ in that Jungle Scout provides sellers with more than only product and keyword research tools. Drop shipping to private label success. Gaining experience on Amazon. Combining passions for filmmaking and e-commerce. It is a dream come true to share my expertise and empower others to start and grow their e-commerce businesses, just like I did, he said. Combining talents for fun and profit. Zeratzian was so pleased with the selling boosts he received from Jungle Scout when first coming to Amazon that he ultimately became part of their operation. Data-driven strategies for e-commerce success. Thanks for watching.